Everyone is obsessed with glass skin, but as a doctor, I'm obsessed with your skin barrier. See, your barrier isn't just a surface, it's a living shield. When it's healthy, it's locked the moisture in and keeps the irritants out. The biggest mistake I see these days, people trying the 10-step routines and accidentally damaging their own barrier in the process. You're not helping your skin, baby. You're overwhelming it. Most of the time, the irritation you're fighting is actually caused by the products you're using. The simplest thing you can do is stop overcomplicating it. Protect the shield, keep it simple, and the glow will follow naturally. It's not about how much you use, it's about how well you protect.